Hey, what is up, everybody? We go by This and That 605 on eBay, and today we're going to be going over our sales that we had for last week. We had 31 sales, as you can see here, for a total of 1727.11. And there's going to be a wide variety of things that we're going to show you guys here today. We don't just sell a specific thing. We're not a niche store or anything like that. Now, I do sell sports cards, but I have a separate eBay page for that, and I do a separate video for those. So these are all going to be items that we find at yard sales, thrift stores, and estate sales when we have them. Right now, I believe it's like minus 6 degrees outside here with a wind chill that's much colder than that. So not really much going on here unless you go to the thrift store or something like that. Anyhow, so this is what we got. First thing we sold, well, technically the last thing we sold, the newest thing we sold, is this Christopher Radko ornament. It is a heart ornament, just like this one right here. And we sold that for $19.99 plus shipping. We sold another train. We had a big train buy at the beginning of winter, and we're actually sold through most of it now. And this is what this one looks like. It's a Thunder Valley by Bachman. And we sold this one for $100 plus shipping. We paid $300 for, just a ton of train stuff. And we're well into the profit there. We sold a Zelda for 3DS. This is a Loser Machine graphic t-shirt right here. Such a cool graphic on it. Found this at a garage sale. I believe it was only $1. Maybe it was $2. I bought a bunch of calculators in a bag. I believe it was at Goodwill or Savers. The bag was like $8 or something like that. This is a Texas Instruments BA2 Plus financial calculator. We sold that for $20 plus shipping. We just picked this up and it's sold in about 3 days. Right here, it's a Motorola Lux 65 Connect 2 5-inch video baby monitor. We paid $9.99 for this at Savers, and that sold for $65 plus shipping. We picked up the sealed VHS of Harry Potter, Prisoner of Azkaban, I believe is how you say that. We picked that up for $1 at Goodwill, and it sold for $19.99 plus shipping. Some of these right here do a lot better than others. We picked up like 5 or 6 packages of these at a garage sale for 50 cents each a few years back, or maybe last year. I'm not quite sure what year it was. But these Fruit of the Looms, the older underwear sells for incredibly good compared to what you might think it would. We sold that one for $19.99 plus shipping, but there was 3 packages of this that we got from the same lot at the same garage sale that all sold for over $40. So it's worth keeping an eye out and seeing if those are the ones that you need or not. We sold this Nativity porcelain trinket box right here. This is what that looks like. $15 plus shipping. So in the future, we won't really be buying things like this unless they're an extremely high sell-through rate, as I'm trying to get my minimum down to $30. Some items obviously are going to be a little bit less than that. Like I like to buy video games. Not every video game is worth $30, even though I wish it was. One video game that is worth $30, however, is this Nintendo Switch Sports. It's just cartridge only. We sold that for $30 plus shipping. We sold another set of Bath and Body Works. We talked about this in our last video. They had these all on sale for $5 each. And we picked up a bunch of 3-packs of those, and it sold for $42 plus shipping. We sold this NFL Blitz 2001 for Dreamcast. I got this at Savers. I believe this was probably $4.99. It's before they jacked all their video game prices up here in South Dakota to $8.99 a game. And we sold this for $44.99 plus shipping. We got this Care Bears King Fun Shine plush. Just a little bitty plush right here. I found this at an estate sale. It was like $2, so I just grabbed it just because it had the tags on it and stuff like that. And it sold for $18.93 plus shipping. This is one of the worst buys that I've ever had, and if I could do it again, I certainly wouldn't. Um, these Crown Royal overhead iron set, it's just the heads only right here. I think I paid $10 for this. I don't know why. It was whenever we were first starting out, and I was like, oh, it's golf stuff, it's a whole set, probably worth something. Well, 3 years later, it was worth $20 plus shipping to somebody. Thank you for buying that from me. Tired of looking at it. We found this ink set right here at a Goodwill for $10 in a bag. They were all brand new sealed, and we sold that for $115. We found these North Face like wide leg pants. We got these at Goodwill for $5.99. New with tags, they sold for $28. We took an offer on those just because we're trying to get our clothes out of here. We found this one Tigress uh, dog jacket basically with a collar and leash at an estate sale for $5. It might have been more. We might have picked it up on a half price day, but that sold for $35 plus shipping. Sold Super Monkey Ball for $10 plus shipping. We sold this Canon camera right here, AF35M. I got this at a garage sale. The lady had a digital camera, and then she was like, well, I have this old camera too, but I don't think anybody's going to want it. So I said I would be interested, and she offered both cameras to me for $20, I believe. Don't quote me on that. We had this one for a while, and it finally sold for $140. We've sold two of these ACA Renew 28s. We got these at a estate sale for $3 each. These are expired, and we did put that in our listing, and they sold for $33.99 plus shipping the same day that we listed them. That's something to keep an eye out for. This Epion's Purifying Spot Gel sold for $28. This order got canceled. I don't know why people buy stuff and then cancel it, claiming that it's not going to arrive on time. You know, not everybody's Amazon. They can get you your stuff in 1 day or 2 days. Sometimes it is going to take a little bit of time. We found this X-Files DVD complete season 1 through 9 at our Goodwill by our house. I asked the lady, hey, is this going to be a box set price or what? Because these are all supposed to be in a box. They agreed, and they sold us this whole set for $5.99 instead of $2.99 each. And we sold that for $145. This Quaker Factory sweater, vintage sweater, again, just something we wanted to get out of here. It sold for $21.99 plus shipping. This Corningware, I picked this up at Savers this winter, maybe right before Thanksgiving, so not quite winter. I believe I paid $8.99 for this. It was brand new sealed in the package, and it sold for $38 plus shipping. These Patriots hats, we picked these up at the bin stores ago for $1 each, and that one sold for $16.99. This Bath and Body Works Pure Wonder perfume sold for $59.99 plus shipping. We found a Facebook Marketplace person selling two sealed boxes of these for $40. So we picked those up, and within a week apart, they both sold. We made our money back on the first one, so the second one here was pure profit. We got this thin line Bible, large print, red writing letter Bible. I just picked this up in an estate sale last weekend, I believe it was, for $3, and it sold for $28.95 plus shipping. This is another thing I will never buy again. And I just bought this because it was at a bin store and it was super cheap. I want to say it was either $1 or $3. Nobody was just grabbing it. It was a Aquaman luxury plush twin blanket. Had that on here for years, and it finally sold for $30 plus shipping. And then we have this Dale Earnhardt Richmond Race Win car right here. I had this listed for 100. They're all kind of listed around in that 100 range. None had sold. So when the person sent me an offer of 75 and I looked it up and I'd seen that none were selling, I just said might as well get it out of here. So we sold that for $75. And that is all going to be all that we sold for this week. We appreciate you taking your time to watch. Thanks. Bye.